Welcome to Cryfonex. The crypto world is buzzing with major developments. Circle is gearing up for a groundbreaking IPO, the SEC is making surprising moves, and PiCoin holders are eyeing the elusive $1 mark. Plus, Trump's latest economic moves are shaking up the markets. Stick around as we break down the biggest stories shaping the future of cryptocurrency. In a historic move, Circle, the issuer of USDC, has officially filed for an IPO with the SEC. If approved, it will trade on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker CRCL. This marks Circle's second attempt at going public after a failed SPAC deal in 2022. The company's financials look solid, boasting $170 billion in revenue last year. But why now? Regulatory clarity around stablecoins is improving, and with the 2025 Stable Act progressing, Circle is seizing the opportunity. However, it still trails behind Tether, which dominates with a $143 billion market cap. Will going public give Circle the push it needs to challenge USDT's dominance? Let us know what you think in the comments. In a stunning twist, the SEC and Gemini have agreed to a 60-day pause on their legal battle over Gemini Earn, the exchange's controversial lending program. This is just the latest example of the SEC stepping back under the new administration. Under Trump's leadership, the agency has already dropped cases against Coinbase, Binance, and Uniswap, signaling a potential shift in crypto regulation. Is this a sign of friendlier policies ahead, or just a temporary reprieve? Either way, this could be a major turning point for the industry. Grayscale is making another bold move, filing for an ETF conversion of its digital large cap fund, GDLC. The SEC's final decision deadline, July 2nd. This fund holds Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano, the same assets Trump referenced in his digital asset stockpile initiative. Some believe this could be a bullish signal, but others warn against reading too much into political statements. With ETFs playing a bigger role in crypto's mainstream adoption, will Grayscale get the regulatory green light? We'll keep you updated. PiCoin is making waves after its latest BTCC listing, fueling speculation about whether it could finally hit the $1 milestone. But is the hype justified? Despite the excitement, PiCoin has suffered a 60% decline in the past month due to large token unlocks. However, April will see the lowest token unlock volume in months, which could help stabilize prices. If Pi breaks out from its current wedge pattern, analysts predict a 135% surge, but that's a big if. Do you think PiCoin can rally to $1, or is this just another temporary spike? Markets were briefly optimistic after Trump outlined a clearer trade strategy, but concerns quickly resurfaced. Bitcoin spiked 3.3% before slipping back below $85,000, while Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Solana saw similar pullbacks. Analysts are split. Some point to 2019 when tariffs triggered a massive Bitcoin rally, while others argue that inflation limits the Fed's ability to cut rates this time around. So will history repeat itself? Or will macroeconomic headwinds keep crypto under pressure? One thing's for sure, the next few weeks will be crucial. That's a wrap for today's crypto update. With so much happening, from Circle's IPO to PiCoin's big test, what are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time on Cryfonex.